The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, HD radio, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.